Hey guys, my name is Doug with infotainment.com. I'm going to show you guys just a brief little quick video on the RAM rear view mirror camera reroute kit. Basically all you're going to do is you're going to pop off this access panel here on the right side of your dash. It's just held in with clips. So once you pop that out, you're going to disconnect the factory connector that's plugged in down here, and you're just going to plug in our little interface here. It's just a pass-through interface. And what we're doing is we're splitting the video signal here for that camera that runs up the A-pillar into the rear view mirror. And that'll come to a little RCA. We're gonna continue this down. Obviously I have it out of the truck or out of the dash now, but you're gonna wanna route it obviously behind the glove box up to behind the radio. And then all you're gonna do is you're gonna interface it here to the C4 T harness. This is because we're installing a factory radio. Now these RCA connections here on this harness may be behind some heat shrink, so you'll just have to kind of peel that back, trim and peel that back. But basically all you're looking for in this harness is this, this female RCA. So you can interface it like this. Now after doing this, obviously you're going to plug this in the back of your 8.4-inch radio. Now whenever you put the truck in reverse, you will not only have the rear view camera image on your mirror, but also on the factory radio. So cool little upgrade here, guys. Makes things a lot safer and a little bit more convenient as well. So just a very quick video here showing you guys how it works. Now, those of you who are installing or purchasing this kit because you want to reroute the backup camera image to the radio display, because you have a factory installed cargo camera, all you have to do in excess of running this little procedure is all you're going to do is you're going to disconnect these, the two blues, and you're going to plug the yellow male into the female blue. Now this is still pertains to this as well. Now what that's going to do is that's going to allow you to utilize two inputs on your radio, the backup camera input and the cargo camera input. However, what you'll need to do in excess of this is just for the cargo camera, guys, this little switch right here, you'll have to have 17.11.07 firmware on your 13, 14, or 15 radio. That will allow you to have the two inputs there. But for everyone else who's not doing anything with a cargo camera, don't even worry about doing this little switch. All you're going to do is just run it into here, and your backup camera image will appear on your rear view mirror and your factory radio display. So that's just a quick little video, guys. We're going to have a more professional one coming out here, I'd say within the next few weeks. I just want to give you guys just a basic overview of how this kit works. Thanks.